What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're gonna do some early bird, guys. Early bird, yes. Let's see what we get. Let's hope Sammy spawns good stuff. We got 1 minute, guys. This will be a short video. Sorry, but I'll make this edit pretty good. Guys, should I get some luck for this? I'm gonna get the luck. I just got the luck. I got luck, and Sammy also did the lava. So we're gonna have a luck. Plus, we could have the admin machine. That comes in 1 minute. All right, guys, here we go. We're so ready for this. Whoa. I remember the first time I played when I was in the candy, right? In the candy, yeah, I definitely did that. All right, guys, here we go. Let's see what I get from this, bruh. Okay, got La Vaca present. Interesting. Very interesting, guys. But guys, this is what we've been waiting for. The hour. Oh my god, here we go, guys. "30 seconds. Here we go. Early bird gets the worm. Yo, I think it might be Festival Lucky Blocks. I forgot when the Festival Lucky Block is. I think it's... Oh, I think it's this update. I don't know. Let's see. Alright, guys, 10 seconds until early bird. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, here we go, guys. Early bird. Alright, guys. This will be a short video. I know it wasn't too much, but don't worry. I see you all in Taco Tuesday in 58 minutes. Alright, but peace. Peace out, guys. Peace.